Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make food now in a garden. First, identify a suitable location in your yard that gets plenty of sunshine. Next, consider what you enjoy eating and what grows well in your area. Beginning with simple plants can build your confidence and provide quick harvests. We'll cover everything from initial planning to enjoying your fresh produce. Once you've chosen your spot, it's time to prepare the soil. A soil test can reveal what nutrients are missing, helping you add the right amendments. Incorporating organic matter, like well-rotted compost, significantly boosts soil health and drainage. Think about how big your plants will get and give them enough room to flourish, perhaps leaving 12 inches between rows. Now for the exciting part, planting. Follow the instructions on your seed packets or plant tags for proper depth and spacing. Regular watering is crucial, aiming for about 1 inch of water per week, either from rain or irrigation. Keep a close eye on your plants for any signs of trouble, like wilting leaves or unwanted insects, and act quickly to protect your harvest. Finally, the reward for your hard work. Harvesting. Pick your vegetables when they are ripe and ready, which often encourages more production. Enjoy them fresh, or learn simple preservation methods to savor your garden's bounty for longer. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your home as fresh as your garden produce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.